I did do it. This is why I love being a YouTuber, because I'm literally filming in my pajamas. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video is a collaboration with Dresslily. Now, they did not pay me for this video, but they did send all of the clothes that I'm going to be featuring here. So thank you so much, Dresslily. I am very excited to try everything that you sent. And if you guys are enjoying my makeup look that I have today, I did do a tutorial for it on my Instagram, so go check that out. I will link it down below. Now, for me personally, I've always seen Dresslily pop up on my Facebook. They're always advertising cute pinup dresses, mostly dresses from what I've seen in the advertisements. Probably because I'm a woman and that's what they target. But every dress that I always saw was either very seasonal, Christmas, you know, birthday, spring, very floral and colorful, which while it's very cute, it's not my style. So I was very excited when they reached out to me and said that they have a whole new Gothic section on their website. So everything I try from this video is from that section, so without further ado, let's get into it. Now the first item I tried was this Gothic choker you see right here on me. And unfortunately this item is currently sold out on their website. This is called the Punk Style Rivet Leather Choker Necklace, and it is $6.73. Now this choker is definitely not real leather. I can definitely tell this is plastic, and the spikes feel very sturdy. They're a little pointy, but they're not so sharp when you go to hug someone that you'll injure them. That has happened to me multiple times. I always end up hurting somebody when I wear super spiky things, so it's nice that these are a little blunt. I have zero complaints about this. These studs are all screwed in, they're very secure, they're not going to come out, and it has several holes so you can make it bigger or smaller wherever you need, and I love it. I think it's a great item. So this choker definitely gets a 10 out of 10 in my book. Next up is this waist cincher, which I love the style of these. I can never have too many, and I love that this is a snapback one. This one is called the Bow Knot Fringed PU Leather Wide Belt. This is also sold out on their website, and it is $6.70. Now on the website this is listed as being PU, that is definitely correct. This is not real leather, this is definitely plastic. And I love how it laces up in the front here, and this is one of the stretchiest belts I have ever used, which I love. And unfortunately it's not super adjustable as there is only one layer of rivets, but I think that this will stretch to accommodate most waists. And again, with this one I have nothing bad to say about it. I love that the edges are slightly ruffled here, and I love using waist cinchers like this to dress up an otherwise boring or plain outfit. So another 10 out of 10. So not gonna lie, this next dress was pretty much the whole reason I said yes to this collaboration. I wanted this immediately the moment I saw it on their website, and this is called the Off-the-Shoulder Sheer Bell Sleeve Gothic Halloween Bodycon dress. If this doesn't say spooky and Halloween, I don't know what does. I adore this dress, and I'm so happy that it looks just like how it does on the website. Because if you guys haven't seen my last Dresslily video, a lot of dresses that I tried weren't quite exactly like the ones on the website, so I was very happy when this arrived and it looked just like the picture. Now the material used in this dress does feel a little on the cheaper side, but this dress is just so cute. I got this in a size medium, and I just love that it is off the shoulder and it has that kind of sweetheart neckline. I love the sleeves with the cobweb detail on the lace and how they're bell sleeves and they widen out towards the bottom. And this dress fits me perfectly, and I love wearing this with a corset. If you guys have seen my hearse photo shoot, I did a hearse and casket shoot a little while ago. I was super extra and wanted to do all the goth things. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link that below on my Instagram. I did a video, a couple of pictures, and it was so much fun. But this was the dress that I wore, and I wore a corset as well with another longer skirt underneath to make it look like all one piece. And what can I say? I love it. 10 out of 10. So I was immediately intrigued the first time I saw this next dress on the website. This is called the Gothic Crisscross Lace Insert Butterfly Sleeve Dress, and this is $29.49. And I just love the long mesh sleeves. They are super long, and I love how they come to a point at the end. And I love the grommets all the way down the front there. And I also love that this is all one piece of cloth, so even if you undid the grommets, you wouldn't be able to see straight through to the other side of the dress. Now for me, if you guys have watched my clothing videos before, you guys know I prefer a lower neckline as opposed to a higher one. So that was the only thing I didn't like about this dress, is that if I use it with the straps here, as you can see it sits quite high on my chest, but if I slid the straps down and made it more strapless, then it came down to my preferred level, I guess, of what you would call it. I also got this one in a size medium, and I love that the back has a lace-up aspect so you can make it tighter if you want. I prefer my dresses to be very bodycon and close-fitting, so I love that. I definitely tied this as tight as I could, and I just found this dress to be more flattering on me that way as opposed to loose-fitting, but that is nice so you can have it either way if you want. This is one of the comfiest dresses I've ever tried, and I love that they have all this beautiful lace down at the bottom, and it goes all the way around the trim. And the sleeves, I die for these sleeves. They are just so amazing. And I like how they're kind of short at the top, and then they come down to this gorgeous little point there. And the material of this one feels like a lot better quality than the last dress. So I love everything about this dress. If anything, I wish I could cinch it a little bit tighter. But that's just a personal thing, so I would give this a definite 10 out of 10. This next dress was interesting because I feel like this is something that I would find at Hot Topic, and I was surprised that Dresslily had a design like this. This one is called the Asymmetrical Lace Buckle Grommet Strap Handkerchief Lace-Up Dress for $23.80. And when I saw this on the website, I was like, wow, that's a really cool design. So I love this dress. The one major thing that I wasn't expecting is that this is very sheer. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see my face straight through the fabric, so if you want to wear this with nothing underneath, so that was the only thing that I was sad about with this dress, that I would definitely need to wear some kind of nude or black undergarment underneath it to prevent my just entire body from being seen. But this is very cute, and I love the fact that the straps are asymmetrical, so you have two over here with grommets and one over here with a buckle that's much wider. The only thing I don't like is that I wish these two on this side were adjustable, because they're a little loose on me. So even though I tightened the right one with the buckle as far as it would go, sometimes these just fall off my shoulder when I'm wearing it. So that would be one thing that I would like to change, is make these adjustable as well. But I love the skull pattern and the print on the whole dress, and it goes all the way down to the floor. And now there are two layers to the skirt. There is the lace skull print on top, and then there is a black mesh underneath. And I love the way that looks because it's very flowy, and if you use this as like a clubbing dress to go out dancing, this will look absolutely stunning. This one I got in a size small. And it's nice that this one has a zipper up the side of the dress as well, and it also has a corset lacing up the back. So as much as I like this dress, I am kind of disappointed in that I will have to do a DIY adjustment for these straps here, so I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. Okay, so this next dress, I have never gotten so many compliments from wearing a dress out in public. This is the faux leather strap lace-up cutout handkerchief Gothic dress. This is $24.79 on their website, and you can get this in pink or black. Now I got this in size small. It's a very unusual dress in the sense that the straps are not like anything I've ever seen. As you can see, the straps come up from the back here, and then they come up to buckle in the front. And this was actually extremely comfortable when I put this on. I was surprised. I was expecting this to be a lot more complicated than it was. Well, that's one other thing I want to mention, is that any dress that had any kind of lacing on it, it did not come laced. I had to put it in myself, but that's not a big deal. I love the asymmetric hem of this dress. It's very witchy, and I love how pointy they are, and this dress fits me perfectly. The only thing, much like the last dress we talked about, it's a little see-through, so I would definitely recommend some kind of undergarment with this, or if you want to sew padding or something else so you can't see straight through the dress, that would also be a good idea. But I just love this lace-up aspect in the front, and I actually tried it on without the lacing, and I liked it that way too, so it's really up to you. You can customize it however you want. And it has the two buckles on either side, and then it has this faux leather trim going down along the grommets in the front and in two belts across the front. Now the one thing I disliked about this is that I wish these were actually adjustable. These are actually just a piece of cloth that goes through the buckle. They don't actually function or do anything, so I was a little disappointed by that, but they do look really cool. And this dress also has the lace-up aspect in the back, which I love. I wish these were functional buckles because they look just kind of silly, just floating around here. So for that, 9 out of 10. Moving right along, we have 2 more dresses left. Now with this dress, the one thing I kind of failed at was the lacing, because it looked so cool on the website, but I didn't know how to replicate it, so I did my best. Don't judge me. So this is the Sleeveless lace-up front grommet handkerchief Gothic dress, and this is $19.99, and I got mine in the size medium. Now for this, again, it did not come laced. And that was the most challenging aspect of this for me, because I wanted it to look like the one on the website, but oh well. This is the softest dress I got out of everything today. This is also see-through, and this also has that asymmetrical, witchy, pointed hem, which I love. And I really like these grommet straps because you really have the freedom to lace it however you want. And it has a little modesty panel there in the front, and they crisscross in the back. So I thought that was another fun little detail to make this different from all the other dresses that I tried. This is super cute, super fun and flowy, and another really comfortable dress. So I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. So now for the final dress of this whole video. Now this one is called the Lace-Up Cami Flare dress, and it is $19.49 on their website. This dress is also sheer. I feel like most of these dresses, if not all, were sheer in this video, but less so than the others. And I just love the little ruffle hem at the top. I think that's super cute. The straps are very thin, and at first I was kind of worried that they would rip out or that they wouldn't be able to hold up the weight of the dress, but they seem to be holding up so far. They are very securely stitched in, I guess. And I love that these straps are adjustable, that you can make tighter or looser. This dress is a little tiny big on me. This is a medium. I probably could have gone with a size small just because I don't have a very big bust. I love how flowy this is. This is one dress that I would definitely wear with a waist cincher or something like that because I feel like it's very plain by itself. I do love the lace-up aspect in the front. I think that's super cute. And this one also has a modesty panel so you can't see straight through. But one of the things that I dislike are waist seams on dresses. I feel like they just look kind of boring and normal when you have them visible. So that's why I love using the waist cincher that I mentioned in the beginning of this video to cover that up. And that also adds some shape to the dress as well. I just wish that the top of the dress and the overall fit was a little tighter, so I probably should have gone with a size small, so it's not the dress's fault. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't seen my other clothing videos, be sure to check them out. I'll leave them up in the cards and down in the description for you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful November, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!